Bullish estimates of how much Algorand will cost in 2030 run from 73 cents to 1.38 cents. Researchers in the market agree that a Algo could be worth 56 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectations for 2023 are 13 cents. Algorand presentation. Since its start in 2019, the Algorand cryptocurrency has had trouble getting above its ICO value. When the blockchain and Qwsd banks worked together to help El Salvador's Digital Money Foundation, the cost of a Algo went up in September 2021. Since then, it has lost most of these extras, but investigators and sites that estimate costs are still hopeful that it will one day reach comparable levels again. What's next for the altcoin? Let's look at the Algorand blockchain's activity and depth and figure out how much it's worth. Improvement. What is Algorand? Algorand meets this goal by making its blocks better through a way of agreement called an adulterated confirmation of stake. How randomly the block chief and approval council are chosen is based on how much code a client bets. Silvio Macaulay, a teacher at the Massachusetts Foundation for Innovation in the United States, came up with the idea for Algorand in 2017. Its blockchain and neighborhood money came out in June 2019. A day after the show, the price of Algo coin dropped in a split second. This crash happened for a number of reasons. The first was the 10 billion shares of symbolic stock that would be sold slowly. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo would be sold at public closeout in the first 5 years after the company was founded. Despite the high public premium, the market couldn't handle the huge size of a Algo and its investors' $24 billion valuation. Chen Fong, who was in charge of the algorithm establishment projects before, sent a letter to the financial local area. According to Worldwide Coin Research, the letter said that early supporters had put the cause at great risk by undercutting and unloading coins. Algorand specialized research shows that after Algo's currency was added to Coinbase, its price went up. It was one of the fastest rises on the platform, according to Algorand. When the news came out, the price had gone up about 30 cents in the next year and a half. Algo tried to get past the 50 cents limit and outperform the underlying price. Despite a couple of upticks, the cash started to move in a bullish direction at the beginning of 2021. This trend continued throughout the year, and the token helped it along, reaching a long-term high of 1.71 cents. Like the previous price drop of a Algo, this rise could have been caused by a number of things. Stable coin interest was the first stable coin that combined the trustworthiness of government money with the open nature of digital currency. Algorand has become a serious choice for stablecoin backers because Ethereum has high gas costs. This is because Algorand and the momentary currency have worked together to make this happen. Market exchange platform Instamatch around the world. Algorand was likewise standing. Algorand took care of transactions worth millions of dollars like a well-oiled machine. In August 2021, El Salvador said that Algorand would be the basis for its digital currency system. At the time, the coin was worth about $1.12, but in the days after the announcement, the price rose to a post-launch high of $2.38, which had never been seen before. Even though Algorand had just released an update that made smart contracts better by letting them be written in popular programming languages like Python and Reach, the money ended up at 1.63. This is because LimeWire, a file-sharing program, chose Algorand to run its NFT market. After reaching a high of 97 cents, Algo has seen some recovery. When FIFA announced its partnership with Algo, the token was worth 80 cents, which showed that the company would become the association's real blockchain platform and would offer the association's real blockchain-based wallet. The Q2 bull runs, on the other hand, were short-lived, and by mid-May, Algo was trading at 36 cents lows. Algorand is right now valued at 16 cents USD. Algo has changed 1.15% so far, and there have been 19,773,574 trades. Algorand is currently the 41st most valuable digital currency, with a market capitalization of $1,178,394,876 Using the general strength files moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the picture above, we can figure out cost designs for Algorand. To figure out if we're going to have a good year or a bad one, we can use continuous Algorand. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us give dynamic price estimates based on how the market is moving right now. Algorand value forecast. From some points of view, 2023 Algorand is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Algo cost figure for 2023 predicts a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 24 cents. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but no big drops are expected. An average price of 22 cents is very high, but it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progress. The starting value of Algo should be 19 cents. Algorand value expected 2024. Of every 2024 Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of room for growth because of the possible declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think that the cost of a LGO will soon be more than 40 cents. Still, we should wait to put down any bullish trades until the Algo's general strength record comes out of the oversold zone. Bets that take into account how hard it is to predict the market. The base exchange cost for Algo will be 32 cents, and the average exchange cost will be 35 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, it could reach 56 cents, and a LGO could gain. If the market goes down, however, the goal may not be reached. In 2025, the average price of a LGO should be 51 cents and the lowest price should be 48 cents. Algorand value prediction for 2026. If Algorand does a good job of supporting market opinion among cryptocurrency fans, the Algo coin price could stay stable for the next 5 years. According to our predictions, Algo will be green in 2026. Algo is expected to reach and beat its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual currency will be worth 72 cents, with a base price of 64 cents and an average price of 67 cents. Algorand value expected. After a lot of research